Welcome back to our channel Coding Pills. Just like taking a small pills of knowledge every day. Today we are going to solve our questions. Write a Java program to print K-shape star pattern. To solving these problems, it's very easy. So before wasting the time, let's start the video. As you can see here, we have a two half of the pyramid. This one is opposite one. This is the pyramid also there. To solving this approach, we need a two for loop, which is represent the half of the this half of the star pattern and then this half of the star pattern. So as you can see here, first of the half patterns starting from the 5 star in the first line, then 4 star, then 3 star, then 2 star, then 1. It means our I should start from the 5 because the first line but we have a 5 star. Second, 4, then we have to decrease the minus 1. So it will be having the 4 in the second line, then third line 3, then 2, then 1. Then I becomes 0. So let's take first for loop. Before that, need our variables int n is equal to 5. Okay, this is our for loop. Sorry, this is the first variable which we needed. N is equal to 5. Then take a for loop. For loop int I is equal to n because what we want to start our I from the 5 and I and we have a 5. It will be starting from the 5. That is why we will be taking the I is equal to n. Then I should greater than is equal to 1 and I minus minus. This is the our first conditions which represent to print the first half of the star pattern. To next inside of for loop you need a one inner loop which represent the column of your pattern. For that for int j is equal to 0, j is less than of I and j plus plus. What you need to do? You have to print this out a star. So this will be print the sorry, yeah, j is equal to 0. Okay. This will be print the half of the star pattern. Let me run it and check it. Check what we will be getting. So let's run it. Why? Because this will be a uh, print statement, and here outside this for loop you have to print the this out pattern. Uh, Print a statement for the next slide. Let now run it. See, we will get in the first half of the star pattern. Now we have to print the down of the star pattern, which is start from the 1 because what we have here 1, 1, then the second 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. But the one of the here now it will be printing in the first for loop. So it means the second half of the star we will be starting from the 2. 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. So for that, let's come out this order for loop. Let and then take again for loop for int I is equal to 2, starting from the 2. I should less than is equal to n I plus plus. Then you also need a column for int j is equal to 0, starting from the 0. J less than of I j plus plus. What you need to do? You just have to print this out as the make sure it is a print statement. Come out this inner for loop and print the next line. This out. Now run it again and see what we will getting. As you can see here, we will getting the K shape star pattern. It's not a hollow K pattern. We will explain you how to print the K hollow pattern. The K hollow pattern is like to only one single line and then this one and this one. So we will do that program as well. But in this program, that's enough. I hope you will understand this video to how to print the K-shape star pattern. That's all about in this videos. Thank you for watching Coding Tales. Just like taking small pills of knowledge every day.